What is going on there, guys? It has been a little while since I made a video. We are currently in the car right now. Actually, I almost had the truck, but we're in the girlfriend's Explorer. Um, so, I just got a call about a half hour ago to, not even a half hour, 10 minutes ago. I had to rush to get dressed and whatnot. For the to go unbox a couple things at a local powersports. This is something that I have been wanting for, well, since they released in August. So now we're on our way up to Fort Kent to go see the guys at Fort Kent Powersports. These have been good buddies of mine. Yeah, so I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. These are we're unboxing two brand new ATVs. One of them's mine, one of them's my girlfriend's. So, hope you guys enjoy, and we will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so we are over at Fort Kent Powersports. We got a whole nice lineup of side-by-sides, Rangers, Commanders, some Defenders. Look at these Defender Limiteds over here. Dusty navy blue. And we're heading right over here. There we are. Let's see, where is it? Right there. Outlander XT Gray 25 1000. And Outlander XT 1000 Red. See, serial 208. And then 692. So my buddy Austin's gonna come over here in a minute, and he's over there talking to one of the guys, I think. So I'll catch up with you guys in a sec. I can't get over these new Defenders or this new color. Fiery red, dusty navy, really clean looking colors. This one's limited, so it's limited 4-door. Pretty cool. 7.6-inch display. Winch control, headlights over here. Got a nice Defender 6x6. This one's pretty bare bones. And then Polaris Ranger North Star 1000. One thing I like about the Polaris is they come factory with the synthetic rope. I'm sure that little drill has more miles than than a lot of the stuff here. Where's my drill? Oh, it's in there?
Hey, buckle out your eyes. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong one.
Huh.
Right there.
Yeah, thank you. While you're there, give me coffee.
He's so demanding, huh, Austin?
I got to. Gotta keep him on his toes.
This is probably one of the two of the only 1000s you'll get this year, at least for the ATVs.
Oh yeah, these are the only two. Oh yeah, without a doubt. Yeah, we don't usually see these too often.
I wanted the one feature I wanted was the locking front diff, the Visco 4-lock from the XMR.
Yeah.
That was one thing we both wanted for the way we ride.
Yeah.
Oh, it is so cool.
Yeah, no, it's a nice machine. Very nice. Alright. Usually two pieces under here.
It's at handguards, it looks like.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with them. Sometimes they're stuck.
There's one. Well, not handguards, but front, the trim pieces for underneath here.
Yeah. Perfect. Alright.
What's up, Parker? If I didn't have the Explorer today, I would be a different situation. Because I was going.
Is the truck again?
No, she. The woman has the truck.
When Raph's gonna do that seat, where'd Austin go?
You gotta go get that tube.
Oh,
The twins.
when Raph does that, I put a tag on the other orange Ranger that's in the line down there.
Down here?
Yeah, that's the missing seat. Just use that one. I'm bringing that one. Take the seat out.
Okay. So you want me to flip flop? Just take the one that's ripped, put it in there. And then bring that one out. You want me to move this one out of the way and
Yeah.
while you video?
Yeah. That's fine with me, Jeff.
Well, that way you can actually see it.
Yeah. So this is pretty cool. I'll show you guys everything here. Show you what's big on these. Well, I got the XT. This is the big thing right here, the Visco 4-lock. Jeff's gonna come by with the forklift, pick her on up. There we go. So there, Jeff just got it out of the crate. They just put it in line for them to.
Yeah, usually they have that.
Yep. Probably handguard plastics right here. Jeff's the man when it comes to getting stuff done. His own words, he picks up, he puts down. The guys were making fun of him yesterday online. You like it though, huh, Jeff?
That's all I do. I love my job.
It's a good job.
Weather can get to you.
But it's all part of the fun, huh?
Oh yeah. It gets stressful when it's more of the winter time. When you're trying to change over
Yeah.
to the winter. It's stressful because you got to you're putting out a lot more.
Yeah.
And you got to run the forklift a little more. I might have missed one. If you want to put that somewhere.
Yep. Give me a sec there. No. Go ahead, Jeff. Yep. That's what I was worried about. There we go. That gray is
Nice.
I still love. Well, I still have my 700.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I've been riding that.
And your 700's gray, right?
Yep. That's why she really likes the gray on my 700. I'm like, well, if you want to get yours in gray, that's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
She really wanted the red, but she didn't want to.
She didn't want to match.
Yeah, she didn't want to be that close. That's crazy. I forget how shiny these colors are when they're new. What do you think about that blue one that they have in there?
That's beautiful.
That is. I was thoroughly impressed with that color option.
Yeah, no, that's wicked nice.
I am upset at Can-Am because they added in the electronic throttle on the 700s
Okay.
for 25 and not 24.
Oh, okay.
So I'm a little upset. But it's okay. Now I'll have both. And here's the 25 in gray.
I do like that silver. Gray.
Yep. Maybe you should buy one, Jeff.
Nope. No, I had a side by side.
Oh, really?
I had one. My wife got mad because I sold it.
So you're afraid she's gonna get mad if you buy another one?
No, she's gonna be happy if I bought one. I just don't want one. I don't have time.
Well, you're always here.
Working here, and then I have a race car I do.
Oh, really?
I race at Spine.
That's cool.
Yeah, just too much time. Not enough time to ride them. You know how it is. If you're not gonna ride it, it ain't worth buying it.
Yep. Well, it's like the guys with the Harleys. Go out and spend $65,000 on a bike. Right. I'll tell you what, those green straps are some of the strongest things I deal with at work still.
Oh, yeah.
We use those all the time at the mill.
Yeah, those are strong.
It's the retarded. Yeah, it's crazy. The price difference between this and the 850, it's almost worth getting the 1000.
Oh, really?
Because it's the same motor like the 700s and 500s. It's the same motor. Yeah. They added the Visco four-lock, sway bar, bigger radiator and cooling package, and a couple little odds and ends things. The running lights right here. Yeah. So I was like, you know what? For like, I think it's like $1,000 more, almost $1,500. It's like, get 1000s. Yeah. And then I already have brand new synthetic winch line to go on both of them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the way to go.
I snapped one the other day on my 700. I was buried deep though in the snow. I've been riding all winter on private lane. Yeah. It's the way to go. There's no point in me buying, spending $19,000 on a sled when I can ride this and go just as far.
Right.
That is crazy.
That is nice. I like that. That color's nice.
It is.
Don't get me wrong, yours is nice too, but that silver is.
Yeah, she's gonna be happy. I like this. I like the Corvette style exhaust, as I call it, straight out the back. Just having a good time, You gotta keep the guys happy. Cool. That gray is absolutely stunning. If it was a sunny day out.
I wonder what that was.
What'd you run over? Wood?
Yeah, it's garbage.
Oh. If it was sunny out, like that color would be. This color shines. Couple brand new XT 1000R's.
There you go.
Cool.
They'll be going in shortly.
Yep. Go talk to the bank. It's all numbers.
Yep, all numbers. Nice machines though.
Yeah, they're definitely they're gonna stick out because you're not gonna see.
No, you're not gonna see 1000s out there.
No. And it's
The most common one is 700.
yeah, you guys sell a lot of those.
700s.
Well, for around here, that's all you need. Yeah. What do you think, Parker?
Nice.
That's solar. I really like that.
All right, so we're home now, or I'm home. I brought home 2 end caps to crates. They have the VIN numbers and everything on them for our machines that we were picking up, or for the machines. So first of all, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keith and all the guys and Frank. Frank's the owner over there. I want to give huge thanks to those guys for being super cool working with me. They knew I wanted to get it on video. And this morning, like I said, I had almost nothing planned this morning. I was just chilling around the house and Keith messages me, hey. So I went ahead and said, yeah, give me like a half hour, 40 minutes, and I'll be there. And I was there within 40 minutes from what I said. We went ahead, got them unboxed, as you guys saw. They're actually getting PDI'd today. Hopefully, we can pick ours up here really soon. I went to the bank to go run some numbers. They want to wait just a couple more days. Now you guys are probably wondering, why did I order so early for the season? Like, I ordered in November. Like, my order for my red machine was placed in November, and both of our machines came in January. Hers only took 2 weeks. Mine took 6 weeks. We ordered one because we knew we were hoping to pick them up earlier. Actually, like earlier in the winter. Like, as soon as they came in, we were hoping to pick them up. But it's just been one thing after another for us. Like, we weren't planning on buying her a car. So we had to pause and buy her a car back in January. And then with everything going on for me, I had an accident last fall. Which I'm going to be making a video on here in the next couple days. You know, it kind of slowed things down. But right now, our local bank that we go to is they have summer financing rates, so we were able to get these for a good deal. Yeah, again, huge shout out to the guys: Keith, Frank, Parker, Austin, Jeff, Brady, Tyler, all of them. You know, they've been great to work with. I've bought my 700 that I have. I bought my Outlander 850 there last year as well, which that'll go into the next video that I make. So, yeah, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get ready to hang this one. So this is hers. We're going to hang it on the wall above the washer and dryer. And then mine is actually going in on the wall in the bedroom. So, yeah. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, hit the like button down below, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.